Folding table dollies provide a transport and storage solution for 5, 6, or 8-foot rectangular folding tables. Stack up to 12 5- and 6-foot tables on the 74-inch long model DY3072, and the 90-inch long DY3096 is designed for up to 8-foot tables. Both models are 31 inches wide to accommodate tables with a width of up to 30 inches. Featuring a heavy-duty steel channel frame, powder-coated in rich brown paint, these dollies have 4 4-inch caster wheels. The 1-inch round handle provides stability and ease of handling. In stock with 48-hour quick ship out of 3 regional locations nationwide, availability is assured. NPS Table Trucks carry an industry-leading 10-year warranty, are mass certified green, and are eligible for earning credits in many sustainability programs. Don't forget the National Public Seating Dollies for all your transport and storage needs.
Hello, my name is Barry Stauber, and once again we're going to spend a few minutes doing a live product demonstration of one of the National Public Seating product categories, the folding table dollies, or transport dollies, or transport trucks. As you can see in front of me and to my side are 4 dollies set up with folding tables on them. Our DY3072, which has 30-inch by 72-inch folding tables laying horizontal. Our DY3096, which has 30 by 96 folding tables laying horizontal. Our DY60R, which has a 60-inch round, our model BT60R table on it. And behind me, our DY71R, which is our newest addition to the line, which has our 71-inch round folding table. One of the challenges that any organization or institution has with the transport and storage of this type of furniture is the bulkiness of the product. Notwithstanding the fact that our blow molded tables are known for their lightweight feature and the construction which allows and prevents denting and allows for durability because of its blow molded plastic technology. Nonetheless, when an organization has 10, 12, 20, sometimes over 100 folding tables, it becomes quite cumbersome to fold them up and move them around. That is the solution of the National Public Seating folding table dolly category. In stock, with 48-hour quick ship all year long, from all 3 of our warehouses, New Jersey, Tennessee, and California. It's a win-win. Whenever you're selling folding tables, whenever any of our dealers are offering our folding tables to your customers, always ask, and what about a transport solution? What about a dolly? They're in stock in the same warehouses as the folding tables. Let's spend a few moments talking about some of the great features and value of these products. Let's start off with the DY3072. The DY3072 arrives with a flat bed, 4 casters on the bottom, 2 swivel and 2 non-swivel, so that it's easy to roll it around. The 2 swivel casters are at the front, the 2 non-swivel casters are at the back, allowing for easy portability in and out of tight corners. And then the handle, which slides in and out, and it's swaged especially so that when it locks into the sockets, it locks into position and doesn't pull out easily. On this bed of the dolly are the 30 by 72 folding tables. Underneath each folding table is a plastic tab, if you will, which prevents them from sliding around on the dolly. You can, of course, also store 4-foot long or 5-foot long folding tables, while this is storing a 6-foot long folding table. This is the DY3096, which is basically the same product, but it's longer. It's about 90 inches in length, and that's why you can store 96-inch or 8-foot folding tables. And once again, 2 swivel, 2 non-swivel casters for easy portability. A word about the construction. As I move over to the DY60R, well, the rectangular size folding tables lay horizontal, and you can store up to 12 high. The round folding tables, whether it's the DY60R or the DY71R for the 71-inch round and the 60-inch round, can store 8 to 10 folding tables in a vertical fashion. The channel of the steel is 1/8-inch channel, again, 2 swivel casters and 2 non-swivel. The handles are 1-inch round, 18 gauge steel, powder coated. All of these products are powder coated in a dark brown, or we call it a Charlie Brown, powder coated paint. Powder coating is of course much more environmentally friendly, much more lasting and durable for the environment. And the bed of the unit on the 60-inch and the 71-inch round has stained plywood bases which are beveled so that the radius of the table sits inside of the dolly. Of course, a 48-inch round can be used on the DY60R as well. On the DY71R, not only are the side rails taller to support the size of the table, but there's also a special handle on the side to encompass the largesse of the table and to make it easier to roll around. Again, in stock with quick ship, affordably priced, available from the same location as our folding tables. These are highly popular, highly profitable items and a great transport storage solution for you, our dealer, to offer your customers. If you have any questions at all about availability, pricing, features, or anything like that at all, feel free to contact your regional sales manager as always, or send me an email to barry@nationalpublicseating.com. Once again, thank you very much for the opportunity.